Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Have you ever said very like wery or water like wotar? Most people do this without knowing, and it makes English sound different. Today, in my very first video, I'm going to show you the 7 biggest pronunciation mistakes we make here in super easy ways to fix them so you sound more natural and confident. If you're a student, job seeker, or just want to speak fluently, stay till the end because I'll give you a quick practice challenge too. Let's start. Mistake number 1. V versus W, very common. We often say very as wery or village as willage. Fix. For V, put your top teeth on your bottom lip and vibrate. Like van, very, love. For W, round your lips like you're saying ooh, but say W. Practice. Say very well, feel the difference. Repeat after me. Very well, village, water. Mistake number 2. TH sound. Think, this. 3. Many say tink instead of think, or dis instead of this. Fix. Put your tongue between your teeth and blow air gently. No teeth touching tongue. Practice. Think. Thank this. 3. Brother. Mistake number 3. T and D at end of words. Cat. Bad. We sometimes make them too soft or add extra sound. Fix. Make a clear stop. Tongue touches top of mouth, then release. Cat, not kata. Mistake number 4. Short versus long vowels. Ship versus sheep. We mix sit and seat, bit and beat. Fix. Short equals quick mouth open. Sit. Long equals stretch mouth smile. Plus, say, ee. Seat. Practice. Ship. Sheep. Live, leave. Mistake number 5. P and B mix up. Sometimes, people sounds like beople. Fix. P equals lips pop with air. People. B equals lips together. Plus, voice. Boy. Practice. People. Boy. Pen. Ben. To recap, fix VW, TH, TD, vowels, PB, silent letters, and word stress, and you'll sound way more confident. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more daily English tips. Next video, 10 daily sentences everyone should know. Comment your biggest struggle or one word you want fixed next. See you soon. Keep practicing. Allah Hafiz.